Siwmai, croeso I Coleg Cymoedd. Hello and welcome to Coleg Cymoedd. I am Mark Thomas and I am the campus director on the Aberdare campus. You're all very welcome and I hope you have a very happy and productive year and that we can help you to get nearer to your career goal, whatever that may be. As campus director, I help plan and organise events on the campus and I meet learners in regular learner voice meetings. In these meetings, class representatives discuss college issues and speak for themselves and other learners. Members of the Learner Voice can also become college ambassadors and enjoy having a closer role with college events and meetings and attending open days. If you're interested, put your name forward when your tutor asks for people to volunteer as class reps. A very important part of my role is to work as your safeguarding officer, and I put your safety first in all of my work. Should you or another learner think that you may be at risk, or you're concerned about something going on in your life, whether at college or at home, then you can come to see me to talk through your concerns. My room is AA324, but if you're not sure, you can ask your tutor who will make a meeting for you. The start of any year is very exciting, with new experiences and new people. So I hope you will enjoy this academic year and I look forward to seeing you around the campus. Thank you very much for listening.